G'day guys, it's Tommy from Raw Blend. Today I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to make a nut butter in the Blendtec Professional 800 model. This is our best selling Blendtec model. It comes with a sound cover, so it's super quiet. When we make peanut butter, we use the twister jar. So this has scraping blades that are going to twist back and forward to incorporate everything into the blend to make a nice, smooth consistency. So when I'm using this jar, we're not going to be able to put the sound cover down, of course. Now there's lots of other tasks you can use the twister jar for example, pestos and baby foods, just to name a few. Today I'm making a simple peanut butter recipe. It's literally just going to be roasted peanuts. That's it. You can make more gourmet recipes. You can add herbs into your peanut butter. You can add chili, you can make chocolate nut butters. So I'm just going to put in 2 cups of roasted peanuts, and my measurements are down the side of the jar here, and it looks like I've nailed it right on 2 cups. Just going to put my twister into place, put our twister jar on the motor base. I'm going to select our slider and I'm going to let this run on high speed for about 60 to 90 seconds. That's it, that's all I needed. It was done in about 40 seconds. Just depends on how much oil consistency is actually in the nuts. So that was super creamy, look at that. It's a little bit warm, which I love from the friction heat. Super creamy. I've made a smooth nut butter. If you want to make a crunchy nut butter, at this stage, I just add in some more nuts on a slower speed, just to chop it through. All right, let's try some of that. Tastes amazing, fresh peanut butter. What more could you want? Happy blending.